completed my graduation in SJSpiders college based on civil background and with a percentage of 65%. And later I joined this JSpiders to learn about some IT courses, and I'm interested in learning of IT. So after I joined this JSpiders, I learned many courses such as SQL, web technology, and Java and J2EE, and in web technology also. By learning this, I came to know a lot of knowledge about IT-based information and software developing. All the faculties here are very friendly and they will clear any doubt. If you ask any doubt, they will clear. Coming to grooming, grooming is very important to build your confidence and to build your communication skills. Grooming is very important, and mock is very important for placing, or you will not get any fear on time of HR round. By giving mock, we can lose the fear. So I thank all the JSpiders, ma'am, Pooja ma'am, and who taught me in programming, Akshay sir, and thank you JSpiders and all the